to infinity and beyond. Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. So today I'm gonna color in my Toy Story 4 coloring page. Ta-da! This is a picture of Buzz Lightyear. I hope you guys follow along with me, and you need something to do with markers, yellow and blue paper, and some craft tools. So let's get ready because I will get started right now. Okay, so let's start on Buzz's face first. He has blue eyes and light peach skin. Let's color in the round of his head purple. And let's color in the rest of his body green, purple and white with some different colored buttons. And I finished color in Buzz. Next let's collage and frame the picture. And I'm all finished! Wow, this picture turned out so awesome! Buzz Lightyear just looks so cool. He's one spectacular space ranger. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I'll see you next time. Bye!